Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a mother shark together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles for the eye and 5 small upside down V letters for the eyelashes. Draw the lips and then traces the outline of the head and body. Starting from the mouth with a diagonal line, a small semicircle, a curved line for the head, a large curved line for the body. Draw the tail fin with 2 lines in the shape of an upside down letter V. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Now draw a curved line for the bottom of the tail. Draw a V-shaped line for the side fin. And then draw a curved line for the lower body. From the mouth, draw a curved line, a quarter circle to the fin, then a diagonal line from the fin to the tail. Draw a large upside down letter V for the back fin. Draw a small circle for the nostril of the nose. Draw 3 curved lines for the neck. Wow! Our mother shark turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eye, eyelashes, and nostril of the nose. Use red for the lips. And color the body with pink. Excellent! Our mother shark is ready to swim in the sea. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!